can see it. Chat. This was just pinned in the chat. Let's see what the this is. Don't piss me off. What the I'm scared. I'm scared. What the is this? Okay. Nigga look too gangster to be singing like this. Alright.
So I bought you another pair.
Alright.
Girl, I got you another dress.
Okay.
So bring your ass up down them stairs.
Okay.
I buy you shit because you wear it. And plus because you know I care.
Alright.
Bitch, you know you love it here.
That's facts.
That's why you keep on coming there.
That's facts.
Your nigga can't compete, I swear.
He can't.
He tried, but now he look too weird, baby. I'll come and slide by 8 p.m. And send a text to your DM.
You do.
500 for your fucking ass. 200 for your fucking nails.
You're right.
You running out of shoes to wear. So I bought you another pair. You running out of shoes to wear. So I bought you another pair.
I'll come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. 500 for your fucking ass. 200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear. So I bought you another pair.
This who Brent Fayers be feeling like.
What, bro? What was the timing of that donut? What the fuck was that timing of that shit, bro?